How to change name in GoCrypto application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. GoCrypto app is a simple and beginner-friendly crypto payment platform that lets users send, receive, and send cryptocurrencies in everyday transactions. If you are looking for a way to change your in-game name in GoCrypto, then first of all, open the GoCrypto application on your device, and once you're inside the lobby page logged into your account, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top left corner. There you'll be able to see your name. Tap the pencil button right next to your name. Now go ahead and enter a new name, erasing the current one. Make sure that there are no spaces in between, and once done, click on Save. So after you do that, you will be able to change your name in GoCrypto account. So there you have it. The new name will be reflected in your profile from now onwards. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.